So today we're going to talk a little bit about the idea of a sponsored job spend may or may not getting the quantity and quality of candidates that you look for. And when we hear that, we've got an additional thing that you can think about as it relates to a sponsored job spend. Obviously, one way would be you could increase your and elevate the amount of money that you might want to spend. But if you'll notice here, Indeed not only helps match your candidates and pushes your job out to candidates that potentially match, but there is a way for you to see what Indeed's doing behind the scenes and for you to proactively invite candidates to apply to your position. If you have time and you want to exercise this role, you can see right here under counter sales, or you can actually pull down to the job of your feature that you want to take a look at and see how many matches there are. Then you can go and toggle between these two opportunities, either candidates or matched candidates. And then with matched candidates, you can invite those candidates to potentially apply to the position. By giving you an additional pool of talent that you maybe didn't consider or wouldn't have considered your opportunity otherwise. It's just the idea that, hey, I need more talent. I'm not getting the quantity of the candidates, and I really would like to see more. Then perhaps you need to invite some candidates to apply to your position. Anyway, just another way to utilize your sponsored spend. It's included in that product, and I wanted to let you know about it. So if you have questions like that to Indeed and how to utilize Indeed and how sponsored job spend can be stretched to make it work better, there's lots of things to talk about, including the right job title, the right keywords, many other facets that I could delve and dive into, but I wanted you to know about that. Anyway, keep living out loud and on purpose, and call us if you've got questions regarding recruitment advertising on Indeed or any other recruitment asset for that matter. Take care.